Yo, what it do? It's your boy Al Woo with the shoe. That's right, gang. You see the wall of fame. We growing, man. Got a lot of shoes, orders. The shoe cleaning business is flourishing, man. I'm running out of words to say thanks for all the subscribers, all the family members. But today, I got the book, chapter 1. That's right. Devin Booker'S crispy signature shoe, and it's got the snakeskin pylon textured material. That's right, it has book right there on the toe, actual hang tag of the actual shoe, and it is sweet. It has chapter 1 on the back pull tab and 96 for the year he was born. Then you got all of that gum bottom at the bottom of the shoe, man. That peanut butter gum bottom, it is crispy with a Nike swoosh on the front. Now, if you look at the tongue itself, it also has a few little, if you come in, gang, it has a few of his initials. That's right, y'all. He definitely has a story to tell with these shoes. This is the first iteration of his signature shoe with Nike, and on the box it says that itself, chapter 1. I'm quite sure every shoe coming after that one be chapter 2, chapter 3, and 4. Devin Booker has a nice shoe right here when it comes to performance and signature. It has the polyurethane, and you know the midsole is going to give you great cushion for cuts, jumps, and when you're trying to go out there and ball. I like it in particular because it reminds me of a Kobe or a KD, Kevin Durant shoe. Nike is coming with the best signature shoes for the athletes in NBA. If you look at this style and the way it's cut, you can see it is definitely inspired by Kobe Bryant's shoes, his favorite player. So, Devin Booker, holla at your boy Al Woo with the shoe. I'm definitely trying to be a creative director. Nike, get at me. Get a check. I'll be able to hook you up with the book 2. If you ain't gonna have it, book 3 and 4. Al Woo will design it. This shoe right here is dropped in 2023, and if you don't got it, go grab it. If you like hooping and you like looking at style, and you don't want to wear a Kobe or a KD, go check out Devin Booker's The Book Chapter series of his signature shoe. Now, if you like this content and you enjoyed it, go ahead and smash that like button and that subscribe button. It's Al Woo with the shoe. We bring in daily banging contents. Come on and join the family, gang. And tell a friend to meet us at 10. And we out, man. Yo, hello? Yeah. You guys need some more shoe content. You guys need some more ideas with shoes and how you deal with them. All right, man. You know what to do. Subscribe, hit the like button, share. I know people are always going to be calling. The shoes is calling. Listen, y'all like the content, subscribe, share it, man. Let's get this platform grown bigger than a giant. I mean, we need it like Goliath size big, guys. We on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Let's get this video 100 likes. We got some sauce coming for y'all. Merch gonna be coming in. Telling y'all, tap in, and we gonna show y'all how y'all get these on y'all feet. So subscribe, Al Woo with the shoe.